Like anything in the EV space, ancillary space, prices have been decimated. Blink charging is no different. This is blink charging on the monthly chart, and price broke through a key level near the $6 level a couple of months ago. Currently price is at all-time lows. Let's go to the weekly chart. And what I see is a drop, base and candles, and another drop. I see a gap down the previous week. I see support, resistance, and this has to be a daily seller's level at 410. Before we verify that, before we continue with the analysis, let's look at this article. So EV charging equipment company BLNK Charging announced this past week the launch of its advanced EQ200 charger in the UK and Ireland. The EQ200 represents a new generation of bi-directional chargers aimed at enhancing the EV charging infrastructure and facilitating the transition from static to dynamic and sustainable energy management. In the future, the EQ200 intelligent features will enable it to utilize the stored energy in an EV battery for powering other devices in homes or offices, charging additional EVs, or even feeding surplus electricity back into the grid. Now, EV sales outpaced expectations in the UK last year, accounting for nearly 17% of new registrations. This continued acceleration of EV adoption demands a sophisticated EV charging infrastructure, and we hope to play our part in growing a network of future capable chargers that support EV ambitions. This was the president of the European division. Now, going back to the charts, a couple things I want to verify. Let's go down to the daily chart. Okay, so we're going to make a change here. This is a daily sellers. All right, and let's change the color to blue. All right, so here was the move. You had a drop, base, drop, pullback into that daily sellers level at 410. And then the next leg down. Price came back to test what was support, and then another leg down. So at the moment, price has found a short-term bottom. You have positive divergence. You had a lower low, but on the RSI, a higher low. So at the moment, price has put in a short-term bottom down at $2.20. How high can price go? Well, short term, the chart suggests price can retest the $3.40, but before it gets to that level, it has to deal with all this price action or lack of price action at around the $3 level, which is going to serve as quicksand if price was to continue to rise to this level. Again, short-term bottom, not a reversal yet, but just a short-term bottom. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.